Being a curly hair girl, you might have a love and hate relationship with blow dryers. Yes, it's a matter of fact that blow dryers obviously let your hair dry faster, but they make your curl frizzy, damaged, and most important of all, less defined. Now, if you have curly hair and you are into styling and fashion, then at some point you may have heard about hair diffusers. But if you don't know much about hair diffusers or haven't found your favorite one, don't worry, we have got your back. So, in this video, we will be telling you about the 5 best diffusers for your curly hair.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Before we jump into the suggestions, let us understand what a diffuser does to your hair. Diffusers are actually a bowl-type attachment for your blow dryer. These bowl-type attachments disperse the flow of air and let your curls dry more evenly and gently. In this way, it not only prevents the frizziness of your hair but also encourages definition and creates major volume. So, rather than blowing your hair wildly in the wind, it's a diffuser that actually nestles and dries your hair. An added benefit of the diffuser is that it's the best thing to set your short hair without disrupting the style. Now, to buy a diffuser, you need to keep a few things in mind. If you're buying just an attachment, then make sure your attachment is compatible with your pre-owned hair dryer. Another thing is that the cup size of the hair dryer indicates how much hair it can hold while drying. So, if you have longer hair, you will need a bigger, wider, and deeper bowl. However, if you are a beginner and don't have any idea how to use a diffuser to maintain your curly hair, comment down below and let us know if you want tips and tricks about styling your hair with a hair diffuser. Segbeauty Hair Blower Dry Diffuser is a salon-quality diffuser. The diffuser is made of premium quality thick nylon and rubber. It is compatible with hair blow dryers that have nozzle diameter of 1.73 to 1.77 inches or 4.4 to 4.5 centimeters. The premium quality material will allow your diffuser to last longer than many other diffusers, and it won't break easily. The diffuser also has a big bowl which allows you to get a better grip on the hair. Thus, it would avoid any problems or issues that would disturb your curls. Moreover, your curls will be frizz-free and defined. The diffuser has 114 air outlets and multiple teeth, which ensures even distribution. It also protects your hair from the damage of concentrated heat and unwanted dryness. The unique feature of the diffuser is you can spin the nozzle of the diffuser. The spinning of the nozzle allows you to change the direction of airflow, which helps in achieving smooth and shiny hair without over-drying it. While adjusting the diffuser, keep in mind that it's not recommended to use this diffuser with blow dryers above 2000 watt AC fan motors, DC fan motors, or high settings. Apart from that, Segbeauty Hair Blower Dryer Diffuser lets your curls achieve faster drying results without releasing any harmful substances. InfinitiPRO by Conair Natural Texture Styling System is an all-in-one diffuser. It's perfect for someone who wants both a blow dryer and a diffuser. You get your perfect textured hair with a gentle airflow. The airflow also surrounds your hair with a new innovative design, which help you in bringing out the body of your curls and waves. The diffuser is built with the patent-pending multi-chamber diffuser design. Moreover, it comes with ceramic technology. The ceramic technology generates infrared heat that allows you to dry your hair evenly and gives it a healthier-looking finish. You can choose from the 3 heat and 2 speed settings to customize the styling of your hair. For your convenience, the filter is removable from the dryer. You can remove the lint buildup and keep the dryer running as it is. And by cleaning the lint, you can maximize performance, which helps to extend the life of the motor. This wacky-looking Devacurl DevaFuser is an absolutely loved diffuser and a holy grail tool for curly hair girls. Its lime green hand, or as some suggest, claw-like diffuser, streams air from all sides of its branches. This best helping hand for your curls with its patent DevaFuser helps dry your curls with gorgeous shape, definition, and touchable volume. Its wacky shape allows it to just slide along rather than piling your hair in a classic diffuser cup. It also has 360-degree airflow that surrounds your curls and gets right to the roots, allowing a speedier drying time. Devacurl DevaFuser has a ceramic inner core that helps preserve moisture to reduce frizz and enhance shine. So use this diffuser to get those perfect curls you desire. KingKam Collapsible Silicone Hair Dryer Diffuser is a professional hair dryer diffuser. It is suitable for nozzle diameter around 1.575 inches to 1.968 inches. The diffuser is durable and lightweight. It's made up of silicone, which helps it to be easily folded. This collapsible design allows the diffuser to be easily put in the handbag and makeup bag, making it a great option for travel. Moreover, the increased airflow of the diffuser saves around 75% of your time spent in drying and styling. The hair diffuser helps to diffuse heat and air from the dryer to flow evenly, and as a result, you will protect your hair from excess damage from the concentrated heat. Bedhead Curlipops 1875-watt diffuser dryer is a blow dryer that comes with a diffuser. It is a gift for curly-haired girls. The diffuser plays up your natural curls and waves, giving it a definition minus the frizz. The outcome is silky, touchable textured hair and volume that is maxed out. This is a perfect diffuser for someone who doesn't want to go through the hassle of attachments and just wants outrageous volume with healthy curls. The tourmaline ionic technology of the diffuser also combats frizz and provides great shine to your hair. It has 3 heat and 2 speed settings so that you can keep the curls in control. It's a removable diffuser with a chill out button that blasts cool air, which sets the style. So scrunch and get those perfect curls each time with Bedhead Curlipops 1875-watt diffuser dryer. So, these are the 5 best hair diffusers which you can pick for your curly hair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. If you find our videos useful, be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.